Most people think people don't trust them because of their past mistakes, or because they just aren't good enough. But that's not the real reason. The Bible actually tells us why this is the case, and until you fix it, nothing in your life will ever click again. By the way, if you would like more content like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my future lessons, as well as go to my school community that I will create tomorrow. And if you're one of the 30 members who join first, you will literally shape the direction of our discussions. Until then, guys, enjoy the video. Here's the truth. Trust is broken everywhere. We don't trust politicians, we don't trust businesses, and sadly, we don't trust people in the church either. People want to trust, but their radar for inconsistency is razor sharp. They can spot a fake a mile away. And so, maybe you felt it yourself, and you want people to believe you, but deep down, you know you aren't living consistently in every single area of your life. The Bible doesn't leave us guessing. Proverbs 10:9 says, "Whoever walks in integrity walks securely, but whoever takes crooked paths will be found out." That is the key. It's not about being perfect, it's about walking securely in integrity. The real reason people don't trust you is because they've seen inconsistency between what you say and what you do. And once they spot that gap, trust collapses. Now, most people try and fix trust the wrong way. They manage their image, they try quick help, hacks, or they hide behind religious talk without actually living differently. And so they just spew all these things that just turn against them eventually. They don't even realize it. But none of that works long term. People always find out. And when they do, the disappointment cuts deeper than if you had been honest from the very start. Don't just listen and not alone. Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss my videos every single week. And if you're afraid of walking this path alone, I promise you, join the Integrity community, because there you'll not only get my book, absolutely free, a digital version of the copy, but you'll also get to walk in communion with people on the same journey as you. And so, just as a reminder as well, only the first 30 members get founding member status. Until then, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. So, how do you rebuild trust? Well, truth is, you don't start big, you start small, and you stay consistent. The more you deposit into that trust account, the more people will trust you. And so, 3 pluses makes a wrong right. When it comes to trust, those 3 will never erase the wrong, but will build enough trust so that you will have rebuilt the trust in yourself over time. But it also requires being humble, humility, and asking for forgiveness, but also giving it when other people have wronged you. That's why accountability is a non-negotiable. Left to ourselves, we'll drift back into old patterns, and that's why I am creating a community so that those of you who are here with me right now that don't want to just drift back to being a bad person and to going back to the old will be more than welcome to join the community and walk this road with us. Here's your challenge today. Find someone that you trust and ask them, where do you see me as being inconsistent, if any areas in my life are inconsistent? Break them down to yourself and ask yourself, how can I change this? Becoming 1% better each and every day is better than not changing at all. Don't defend yourself, just listen. And that one act of humility could be the building stones to rebuilding your entire life. So let's recap, shall we? The reason people don't trust you isn't your past, it's your present inconsistency right now. The Bible calls us to integrity, but not perfection. Okay, you're not meant to be perfect, and that's fine. Trust is built in the small things daily with humility and accountability, bouncing back and forth between somebody that you trust as well. If you want more teaching like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and join the community that I will be creating. If you'd like to go deeper, as well as find other people like you on the same journey, as well as my book where I speak more deeply about topics like this. But till then, I'll see you guys again. Cheers for now.